Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Jaguar XE headlight. Unlike some simpler tasks, accessing the entire headlight assembly on your Jaguar XE requires a bit more effort. The primary step involves carefully removing the front bumper, as the headlight's mounting points are hidden behind it. This ensures you can properly replace the whole unit, not just a bulb, and avoid damage. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is safely raised and supported on jack stands. This provides necessary clearance for working underneath. Next, open the hood to locate the upper bumper fasteners. You'll also need to turn your front wheels to full lock, either left or right, to gain easy access to the bolts located within the wheel arch liners. With access gained, proceed to remove the various fasteners holding the bumper. You'll typically find several 10mm bolts and T25 torque screws. On the left side, carefully disconnect the electrical connector that goes to the bumper. For vehicles with headlight washers, unclip the windshield washer line on the right side, being prepared for some fluid to drain. Once the bumper is free, you can carefully pull the headlight assembly straight out. There's usually a tab that might offer slight resistance, so a gentle wiggle helps. Disconnect the main electrical connector from the back of the headlight by squeezing its tab. Reinstallation is the reverse process. Remember to reconnect all lines and bolts. For more great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, find the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.